Hey there, Overtime Garagers. So, got in front of me here the packaging for a self-tapping and repair type drain plug for an oil pan. This one's made for aluminum oil pan. And let's see, is there a part number on here? There's a scan code made by EcoPlug, looks like. And so how it's supposed to work is you just thread that in to an existing hole there. It's got some thread locker. I don't know how well that works, but the self-tapping threaded feature is what I was kind of going for since the oil plug was stripped out. And you can see how the center part just pulls in and out. It has a magnetic connection between the plug here and the body. And then this is an extra tool they sell also, but you can just grab the end of it with pliers and pull it out. It seems to be powerful enough that you don't have to worry about it falling out, but we'll test it out and see how it goes. That was pretty slick and quick, so yeah, not a bad deal. EcoPlugSystem.com. There you go, shameless plug. I need a sponsorship here. We're getting after an issue on a 07 Silverado here. Actually had a stripped oil pan plug, a drain plug. And the bolt itself looks pretty good, probably because it was made of steel. And this pan here is made of aluminum, and at some point or another got over tightened and stripped the threads. So I grabbed this plug that you can see here. It's a new style repair plug. I'll have to put a link to it in the description here, but it's tapered and threaded. So what you do is you just take the old one out, and I did it full of oil, so I made a mess here. Just plugged it with my finger and then slam that in there, and it's pretty, if you do it quick, it's not too bad. But then how it works is this this part of the plug, this is magnetically secured to the other half. So you can just grab that with pliers, or they make a little magnetic tool that kind of snaps onto it and it'll pull it free. And then there's a smaller hole all the way through. So that's how that'll make oil changes a little bit easier. But as you can tell, I've tightened that in probably a good 3/4 of an inch, and it has stopped the flow. So pretty effective. I made sure not to over tighten. I didn't want to crack the aluminum casting, so I was careful with my calibrated torque within my forearms here, and it looks like it has done a good job and saw that. We'll keep an eye on it overnight, and we'll drive it for a bit, send it home with our buddy to do a test. It's a real world test of a new product, and I'll get you a picture of the packaging and maybe a link in the description. So thanks for watching. This looks like a pretty slick solution to a major problem. You never want to have a stripped drain plug on your motor, on your oil pan. Those pans are tough to get out of there, as you would be able to guess. There's no room below it. See that cross member? You couldn't just drop that pan and drill and tap without getting shavings everywhere. And anyway, so that's a nice solution. I like it. All right. Catch you later. Thank you for taking a look at this video and subscribing.